Okay, guys, guess what time it is? Here we go again. Alright, this time, a little visit to IKEA. Got me thinking. Same color palette if I ever publish any of these videos. We shall see. So what I did, I'll show you. I taped up the bottom. I've got a chopstick holding it so that I can have one thing spin, either the cake spinner or the Lazy Susan. And you gotta make sure it's got clearance and that it's level. And hey, I moved it. Center. Okay, let's do it. With the mixture of Cunag and Burnt Sierra. Golden fluid acrylics has the quinacridone glaze of gold, and Fluid Arco has the Burnt Sierra. Fluid Arco also has this beautiful hot pink, which was for the Massey boys, and again, I forget the name of it. Holy cow. And a little bit of just plain Cunag on the top. Do a little bit of the I've forgotten the last time I did this video. Okay, so a little bit of Taffy and a wannabe anthraquinone blue. And we're going to top it up with 2 select activators. The iridescent gold bright from Golden, and the I think it's a Michael's, where it's not even an Amsterdam gold, graphite black. Noise of the hairdryer. So we've got the graphite black and the gold cell activator there. We're going to blow this out with our laser hairdryer while that's going. I'm going to direct you to a wonderful website of waterfall acrylics. Please check out her channel. This is where I got the color palette from. I've learned just about everything I know from iridescent and waterfall acrylics. She's an amazing artist, very, very talented. Please check out her channel. So at this point, I'm not sure if I want to pour over, if I like those bare areas before I pour more paint. I just thought I'd kind of look at what's happening there. Not the greatest, but so I decided to go ahead and put a little extra paint around to keep the design that I guess I do have there. And we shall see. We'll go from there. I realize I have enough paint on the Lazy Susan. I should be okay. The last painting I did with this color palette on a canvas, oh, it cracked like crazy. And so I was deep in thought while doing this video. And I mean, there's not much of a it's kind of nice and light, really. I mean, the substance of the colors. So I was pretty happy with that, I guess. But I was pretty quiet while I was spinning this out, and it's kind of seems a little slow. I just kind of wanted to show my process a bit, even though it's a 15-minute video. I like the composition pretty well. So I pretty much decided to go ahead and go with this, just cleaning up the bottom. I don't have to scrape anything. I'm pretty happy with the composition. I checked before I did the pour, all my paint consistencies were the same, and it's just nice and light, you know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more like it, let me know. If this is too boring, let me know. Any feedback is much appreciated. And please do go over to Waterfall Acrylics. Yeah, she's incredibly talented. I'm just so grateful for everything that I've learned from her, being Karen. And so I'm going to link her channel in the description. Go over and check her out. And I'm really grateful that you were here today. I appreciate it, your time, and any comments you may have are also greatly appreciated, and definitely process, the feedback that I get from folks. So again, thank you for your time, and I'll just let this spin out. All right, have a really great day. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. rinse it off. So at this point, I think we have a deal. Sorry, this is kind of a boring video, but yeah, I was a little worried. Thank you for watching.